Me. Ready. I solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of humanity. The health. I will respect the autonomy and dignity of my patient. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life. I will not permit consideration of age, disease or disability, creed, ethnic origin, gender, nationality. Any political affiliation or any other factor to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will respect the secrets that are confided in me even after the patient has. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity. And I will foster the honor and noble traditions of the medical profession. I will give to my teachers, colleagues and students the respect and gratitude that is due. I will share my medical knowledge for the benefit of the patient and advancement of health care. I will attend to my own health, well-being and abilities in order to provide the care of the highest standard. I will not use my medical knowledge to violate human rights and even under threat. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. So now, thank you. You have taken the medical oath and you will enter.
হাততালি সবাই একসঙ্গে হাততালি সবাই
Thank you.
সমস্ত ফ্যাকাল্টি যারা স্টেজে ছিলেন আপনারা আবার স্টেজে চলে আসুন। প্রফেসর ডক্টর রামনারায়ণ মাইতি, প্রফেসর ডক্টর তারাপদ ঘোষ, ডক্টর ভৌমশ্রী দাস, ডক্টর খগেন্দ্র মাহাতো, সবাইকে অনুরোধ করছি আপনারা আবার সবাই স্টেজে